Hi, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to automatically fill down and across in Excel so that you can do things like automatically fill in the months of the year or increase numbers by one. So for starters, I'm going to start with something very simple and I'm going to put the number 1 in here. So let's say you wanted that to go from 1 to 10. If you type in 1 and when you move your mouse to the bottom right corner, you get that little black plus sign. So if you click and hold on that and you drag it down, it's going to fill 1 in down all the way. So that doesn't really help because it's the same number being filled in down. But if you want to teach Excel what you want it to do, you can do it simply by putting the number 2 below that. So now it's a 1 and 2. And now if you highlight both the cells, move your mouse onto that little black square at the bottom right corner and drag it down, you'll see that it's going to suggest it's going to increment that by 1. So that goes from 1 to 10 down. It works the same across. So in this example, I'm going to do the months of the year. So if I put in Jan in that cell and I put Feb in that cell, highlight those two cells, move my mouse to the bottom right corner of the two cells where it's got the little block and the black plus sign, I can click and hold with my mouse, drag that across, and you can see it's filling in the months of the year as you go across. So really, that's all there is to it. There's lots of other applications you can do. So the basic premise is if you can demonstrate to Excel what sort of increment you're looking for, then when you highlight the cells and drag down, or if you drag across, it will automatically increment by the difference between those two cells. That's it.